Hi, I'm Liam, a quality control technician here at Laser Express, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the formatter in an M600 series printer. Alright, starting from the back of the printer, you can see that this the formatter cover will just slide off when you grab it by the little lip there. And then there are going to be two screws. You can see that these ones are real big ones. So I find it easiest to get them off with just like a coin, just to get you started there, and then you can take them the rest of the way off with your fingers. All right, and then maybe the easiest way to get this out is just open it up like that. Then you have a lip here on the side, and you can just slide it out. And before we get the new one plugged in, you want to open it up and make sure that it has the memory card there, and make sure that it's plugged in where it needs to be. And then everything looks in order. You can close it up, and you just line it up with the pins and push it in. And then it's just a matter of working backwards. So put the screws in. And then sliding the formatter cover back on. All right, and then after it's plugged in, you're going to turn it on, and then it'll show up as asking you to put in the time. You just select whatever format and whatever time is right for you. Then it'll ask for the date. And then it'll come up with an error message that says use board or disk installed. And then this is nothing to worry about. This happens every time you change the formatter out. You're just going to hit OK, and then the printer will shut down, and then when it starts back up, it should be ready to go. And that is how you change the formatter on an M600 series printer. Thank you for watching.